Have you ever seen a little letter E at the end of a word and wondered, what's it doing there? It's not making a sound, so why is it important? Well, this sneaky letter is called Magic E, and today, we're going to learn its amazing trick. Welcome to Blooming Kids Club Phonics Class Fun. Let's start with a simple word, cap. The letter A here makes a short sound, like an apple. But look what happens when we add Magic E. Now cap becomes cape. The E stays silent, but something magical happens. It tells the A to say its name instead of its short sound. Now it says A like in cake. A like in... This trick works with all the vowels. Let's see some more examples. Kit becomes kite. Now the I says I. Hop turns into hope. The O says O instead of aw. Cub changes to cube. Now the U says U instead of See how one little letter completely changes the way words sound? So what's really happening? Magic E has a special rule. It doesn't make a sound, but it to the vowel and makes it say its long name instead of its short sound. Be careful though. Magic E doesn't always follow the rule. Some words, like and, don't change their vowel sound. But most of the time, Magic E does its magic perfectly. Now let's see if you can guess the Magic E words if turns into and becomes... Great job! Now you know the secret of Magic E. Keep an eye out for it when you're reading and you'll see just how powerful this little letter can be. Thanks for joining. Please like and subscribe to Blooming Kids Club. See you next time.